Welcome back to the camper build. So second part of this wall build, I wanted to screw everything together and I started having issues with the traditional screws. And if you look at them, they got this taper, so it pretty much expands the metal or splits the metal or splits the wood. But I went ahead and got these, which has a flathead, so it has a small taper on it, but it's not nearly as big as this. So what that will do is now that will kind of squeeze everything together, because the problem I was having was when I started screwing a couple in, it was splitting wood versus pulling the wood together. I'm still going to put the metal around it on each of the joints because it still works out just stronger in the long run. But anyway, I want to get finished on this wall. Shouldn't take me too long, and then I'll start to fit it in there. I have to clean up the track that it sat in. Alright, so the wall is up. It's not too bad. So it is what it is. I mean, they're pretty inexpensive when it comes to using all this wood, so they weren't made with 2x4s. Of course, they had to be light as well. But that'll work. So I just got to put a panel on this side. So I've left that loose, so when the time comes that I need to start paneling this type of stuff, and I'll be able to pull it right out. Pretty much do the same thing with the other panels, other wall, except for I think I may pull all this. Like once I get all the other structure done, I may pull this wall back down and go ahead and pull the whole bench out. Possibly replace the plywood on the seat because I have new plywood. And I want to pull up the vinyl floor underneath of it as well. And I got that tank there that I want to see if it's still good and sterilize that if it is. But this is just the beginning. I'll get around to it. So I want to start rebuilding that little shelf that was sitting right here. I got the pieces. I just need to start putting them together. That piece of plastic that I have that kind of held everything together, that I'm gonna have to get that off without breaking it, or at least get it off to where I can either get a copy of it made. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. But I'm hoping I can just save it and we don't have any problems. But I'll hold off right now. Now I got this wall up, and then I'll rebuild that shelf another day. But anyway, till next time.